Meanwhile, the city of Tacloban now has a climate-resistant command control center. Again, we'll have the details from Freddie Abando.
The recovery of Yolanda devastated areas of the Eastern Visayas region is gaining momentum as government intensified the implementation of RAY, the Rehabilitation Assistance of Yolanda.
All those involved, meaning governors and mayors, and of course our regional medical center, the Eastern Visayas Medical Center director, and all of these ongoing projects are now, well, maybe I'll use the word, being fast-tracked.
The President led the groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of the new Eastern Visayas Medical Center north of Tacloban City. The hospital will be funded by the private sector. Enrique Razon of the Manila International Port Facility. Tacloban City Mayor Alfredo Romualdez said the medical center is a major boost for the city's recovery from the ruins of Yolanda's force and fury. It's climate resistant, a unique facility since it will be a command control center with all the capabilities in responding to emergencies that may arise when a typhoon strikes.
A command center wherein that would be where communication should be in place, where there should be enough power, therefore water supply, so in short, and fuel. At the same time, wherein it could be center for an evacuation facility, and where food can also be stored. At the same time, if patients can be, or those that may be affected by the disaster, needs some major medical care, that it can be the area where they can be transferred through, let's say, by air. And so therefore, it appears right away, it's obvious right away that it should be the hospital.
It will take time to finish the construction of the hospital. In the meantime, the Department of Health has released 500 million pesos in attending to the medical needs of the people in the area. Close to 1,000 nurses were deployed. The United Nations and the World Health Organization has sustained relief operations with special focus on health. Medical missions from all over the country has greatly helped to care for mothers and children. Damaged hospitals and health centers are back in service. Because of this, there has been no major disease outbreak.
We had very significant assistance from both our private sector that were, whether they were at the adjoining regions, both of the national as well as the local government, and our private sector participation was very significant in really assisting us in our response to Typhoon Yolanda.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.